Okay, so first you want to get a clip with like a clear background on it. And then you're going to copy and paste your clip. Then you're going to put the clip above each other and press V on the bottom one to disable it. Then you're going to take your gear effect and put it on the top one. And just cover up most of the screen with the box. And then you're gonna make a new compound clip out of the top video. And press OK. Double click to go into your other video. Then you're gonna take some drone footage and put it under your video. Okay, you fill holes. And then you're gonna go to Stencil Alpha, and that puts the clip on your person. And I put the other key effect on the top video to add detail to our person. And you can fade it out as much as you want. Then you go back into your clip. And then you can add music if you want. And you crop that out. And turn that sound off on the second video. And you're going to detach audio. And we're going to put black bars on the video to make it look widescreen. So you go to the letterbox effect. And I put it on 2.35. And then you apply that to both clips.
Thank you for watching our screen recording. Here's the double exposure effect.